Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. And I think that's good. You see, I'm going to want to welcome our viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the channel. Alright, I know the top news in Britain at the moment is that another politician was murdered. A member of parliament. Don't know, condolences goes to the loved ones, family and loved ones. You see it, you don't know, endorse violence. You see it, we seek our change not through violent means, but through educating nations, people. You see it, transcend you see it, we try to communicate the things that connect us all. So that's the similarities, transcend races, boundaries, borders, and things like that. You see it, in a Rastafari, any scene. So another MP died in Britain in a recent time. Make it be like the second MP for that dead in the space of like a 6-year span, 6 or 5 year. You see, you don't know. So, well, as a first world nation and thing like that. I don't remember where the politician name. You don't know, I know somebody women know of like that. But you can go Google it and see. You see. Probably I should have. You see, but when me, you see, when me compare the level contribution, even though it could have been tons more per quota or based on the type of riches where the society and them thing they entertain. The resources to the country. It's like basically the people them get treated still same like how Jamaica treat Jamaicans, Like me I say, according to how the riches of both nations do. See? But it's still coming like our Jamaican politician can afford themselves a far higher standard of protection than the British politician. I don't understand because he was walking like him doing surgery as usual. Because you can make an appointment and go meet with your MP up here and talk to him and things like that. So it's alleged that that's how the person get access to the MP. So they might figure out where right now they might figure out Scotland Yard try to figure out if it's a terrorist attack or not. See it. So yeah, you don't know. See? Now our Jamaican politician them lucky because them have no consequence, neither legal or them type of consequence have to face up to. See it, which is a good thing because we not instigate no loss of life, boy, yeah? But more time when you observe the thing per quarter, again, in terms of responsibility and consequence for actions and things like that. See, you'd have things say more or less, you'd have possibly less attempt on a British politician life. Probably them would have tried more after Jamaican politician. It's kind of confusing, I don't understand. It's not like we give thanks because we not encourage no stupid, you know what I say? But at the end of the day, Me have to just want our politicians them to be careful and beware, because you know the youth them now, you know, see them youth are limelight, them youth are daily, you know, see it. Them youth are do them thing for come on social media for get known as the bad man we do this or the bad, you know, see it. So you know, for start be careful now, because and I like Britain and where them thing happen, them thing hide and sweep under the carpet. Una big news, una big name, and that the youth them a work for. No name and news. You see it? So be careful. You see it? You see it? Act responsible. Start acting responsible. Start being aware of consequences. You see it? Look out for the youth them and fix up something. Set up some sort of hopes for the youth them Rasta. You see it? Because in a Britain here, one man kill one politician, the way them youth are moving, you never know how they might react towards them level of oppression there. We're down there, because me know the level of oppression we're down there, you know, up here. You see it? And regardless of that man there fear, we don't know the backstory yet, still. You see it? But it happened. It already happened. The murder happened. You see it? So we are one, bro, got them and the whole of them down there. We are going like so, well then, there is no consequence whatsoever. The little youth, them down the one, come on TV, Rasta. You see it? The youth, them want come in at the newspaper. Though, you know, see that look on all the one them the other day where I bus with a maker up at Augustown. You know, see it as gun salute for dog paw. Careful of them youth there, bro. God, them youth there, a movie star. You see it? Start do something for them. Start make an impression. Start make it look like me say you have changed that 3.5 billion US down there in a bank vault. Sit down where you not do nothing with. When you just watch it grow. While the youth them dead in a deprivation and hopelessness. You see it? Pay attention, bro. God, in the midst of everything we are going. So what them doing in Britain, 2 days, yeah. Murder a politician. I do him job. You see it? It's time to sit down and have a conversation with them youth here. We want to get famous and come on TikTok. You see it? Because it's not like your charge at the time for your thing I go longer than anybody else time where them take them life out the road there randomly and regularly. You see it? Be careful it don't become a trend, because it become a trend that enough of unu no dead for when the trend take on. Click in and becomes the thing where that every man want to do. You see it? It doesn't have to get there. You see it? You see it? This is Britain, Rasta. Serious security, serious, consequence for actions. You see it? And a man make up his mind for do it. You see it? Without, opportunity of escaping. You see it? So, in your case, yeah, I mean, come on. We are reason rationally Rasta. We are, see it? We not beg because it belongs to the youth, them. You see, we make you know, say that if you negotiate with a man and a man and you don't know your value, the man will always undervalue you. So we are assume our value. This instance here, see 3.5 billion US. A whole heap of things can come out of that and a whole heap of change left. Same way as security. We don't understand what the stagnation and the underdevelopment. Right now, Britain like a lorry driver. lack of truck driver, need truck driver and butcher and them thing that you should have trained up them people. You should have some serious courses and programs that go on and have some spy out here observe what Britain are gonna need and the potential for. You know, see, you might need bricklayer soon. You might need certain type of people soon. You prepare them type of people there because that's all it takes, Rasta, to kickstart hopes and opportunity. You know, see it. And the youth them can balance. You know, see it. And we consider waiting another year before them try to get themselves wind up in a crime and violence, because there is hopes and a possibility. You know, it might take years in a lot of cases, but the possibility is there. And while other people you know, benefit the opportunity, you know, you still have the butterfly, the ripple effect, where a man a simple benefits. You know, I don't get fame bulk of fame opportunity yet. But you know what I say? The community at large benefit same way from the development and the success of the other candidates, them same way, Rasta. You know, see it. So yeah, we need something for manifest. You know, see it. Right, you know, we should have some very important computer genius down there. The opportunity for develop an IT skills should have there. You know, open and ready. You know, see it. The ganja one of the biggest industry in the world, and it come like even our Jamaican youth, them not realize that yet. When them realize all them things they in a Rasta and know some man a hold them back purposely. Man responsible for the crime where them a do. Man responsible for the hunger where them a feel. Rasta a serious thing, you know. You know, see it. Pay attention and stop act like so. Well, then it's your wish and your hopes for certain things. You know, see it. We don't want to entertain that. You know, see it. Yes, Rasta. So once again, we say condolence to the family of those the one who lost his life, the MP who lost his life. See? And we hope, you know, we don't know the circumstances surrounding it fully. Obviously, you know, the year say he's a bad person. We not say he is. We not say he was. You know, see it. But regardless of what go on, you know, see it. We say we don't endorse, we don't embrace certain things. You know, see it. But we are just we are just one generation, you know, see it. And we are just a part of a certain generation. And I give thanks, Rasta. See? Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.